In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sale invoice in Zoho Books. We'll be breaking it down step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of the process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, go ahead and find the Sales section on the left sidebar. When you click on that, a few options should pop up, and one of them will be Invoices. Select Invoices, and this will take you to the page where all your invoice management happens. Now, to create a new invoice, simply look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Give that a click and you're ready to start crafting a new invoice. Now, as you get started with your invoice, you'll need to fill in some details. Begin with the customer name. Here, you have the option to select an existing customer from a drop-down menu. If you've got a new customer, don't worry. Adding them is straightforward. Moving on to the invoice, you'll notice it auto-generates a number for you, which is super handy. However, if you need to change it for any reason, feel free to do so manually. The invoice date is your next stop. While it defaults to the current date, you're welcome to tweak this to fit your needs. As you continue with the details, take a look at terms. This section allows you to select your default payment terms or even opt for a custom due date, depending on what suits the situation best. If you have a sales order number, just pop that in the order number field. Additionally, if a particular salesperson is attached to this transaction, you can choose them in the salesperson field. With these details in place, it's time to add the items or services to your invoice. Head over to the item details part of the page. Here, you'll add each item or service being invoiced. For each entry, you'll want to provide the quantity and, if necessary, adjust the rate. Zoho Books is quite efficient with taxes and discounts. They usually auto-populate based on your settings. However, if adjustments are needed, this is the place to do it. Adding more line items? Just click, plus add new row and continue building your invoice. Almost there. Now it's time to address the final details. This includes entering any shipping charges or making adjustments into your invoice. Don't forget about the customer notes field. It's perfect for adding any messages or special notes for your customer. In the same breath, insert your terms and conditions if applicable. And if you need to, you can attach relevant files to the invoice. Finally, saving and sending your invoice is the last step. You have a few options here. Click Save as Draft if you want to save your work without sending it out immediately. Alternatively, hitting Save and Send will both save your invoice and email it to your customer right away. There's a drop-down arrow on the Save and Send button that gives you other alternatives, such as scheduling the invoice to be sent later. And that's it. You've successfully created a sale invoice in Zoho Books, ready for your business transactions.